guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know, I'm Shay Monet, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then you need to subscribe now. So I haven't been on here in like a while now, but I've just started posting back on my channel. But this is a series I'm doing for my business and everything. So yeah, you're gonna see how I pack my orders today. I just launched yesterday. I just relaunched yesterday, which was my birthday, February 18th. So yeah, I got some orders that I have to package. Cause I got a lot of orders yesterday, and I'm so grateful. So you guys are gonna watch me package them. So I'm gonna show y'all what I have. I make nose cuffs. This is my heart design. I have 3 colors. They come in silver, gold, and copper. And yeah, like I'm gonna show y'all the designs I have. I think I showed y'all my last video, I don't remember. But so you see how like the hearts. I'm trying to show y'all all of them. I try here so I can package these. I have this one, which is like a snake. That's the name of it, snake. I have this one, just called the cinnamon roll. A music note. And then I have another one. I just have to finish making them. It's like the cinnamon roll, but it's extra large, some of it. All right, guys. So I'm not gonna show y'all like my packages and stuff, but I can't. I wanted to show y'all like me packaging my orders, but it's not gonna work because I need my phone. So I'm gonna show y'all the packaging basically like I'm done. Like I'm just having it set up, and then I'm gonna do it like that. So I'm coming back over here because I forgot to let you guys know. I know a lot of people it's like a small business and stuff, and like I like to get pro stuff that I don't know, so I know y'all would like to get pro stuff which I don't know. So I'm gonna show y'all my business cards, and I'm gonna let y'all know like how much they were. Like I got 250 business cards for $8. So I'm gonna let y'all know because I found out from TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok, make sure you go on TikTok, because TikTok, I swear, TikTok is like the new school. Like I don't know what they teach us in school, because I learned everything on TikTok, like so much stuff. But I got my business cards, as you can see. They're so cute. They're mad pretty. Wait, let me show you from them. Okay, so as you can see, like they're mad cute. Like look how they look like. It's really nice. And I got 250 of these for $9. Like it's only 18, but I was saying like $9. Like what? I'm gonna leave the description down below where I got these from, because it was super cheap and affordable. Like what? 250 for $9? Like these are all of them that I have. I put them on this thing right here. But I got from Dollar Tree. Also, Dollar Tree is your best friend. Dollar Tree has like everything, has so much. I got these cute little things from Dollar Tree, baskets, like gold bar baskets. This is with all my I keep all of my nose cuffs in there. This is my packaging that I put the nose cuffs inside of. I got this from Amazon. I got this scale from Amazon as well too, because I do ship my stuff off. Make my shipper label so that I don't have to wait online in the post office, because I find this is more convenient. I can just pack everything here, take it to the post office, and leave. I don't have to wait in line. And the packaging came with like these thank you cards, so I put these basically up in here. It's basically, these are pillow boxes. Fold it up and then stuff like that. Pillow box, but yeah, I use that. Oh yeah, and I got my double millers. I have 2 different sizes because I sell those are my headbands all over there, and then my bonnets. Wait. So these are the big ones, big size that I have, and then I have this small size. So this size is for the nose cuffs, and then this size is for my hair bonnets and my headbands or whatever. But yeah, so yeah, I just wanted to show you that because I got to put on. And then I use these are tissue papers I got from Dollar Tree to wrap my hair bonnets and my headbands, whatever. It was just about order, so I got to ship off tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. I say that I appreciate everybody who did shop with me for my launch. If you don't know, if you don't know, I make customized nose rings, nose cuffs. As you can see, I have like hearts, music notes, the cinnamon swirls, and yeah. But make sure you check me out. I'll leave everything down in the description below. So if you want to purchase and if you want to follow me on my social media, it's always active on there. So make sure you stay tuned. And like I said again, I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.